Hi my loves, welcome back. Today I was craving assorted Ogbonor soup, but I went to the market really late and I could not get it, so I just got Kpomo and beef. Here I have my dried fish. I want to blend it, and I also got my onions, my pepper and iro. I don't like seeing onions in my food, so I always grind it up. While this was going on, I've already put my meat on fire and I added the blended mixture to my meat. After 30 minutes, I added my stockfish just to give it that sweetness and that smell. This is my blended fish. Now I'm adding it in and let it boil for another 15 minutes just because I need that pomo to be really soft. I like my meat soft. Do you? So next, after boiling for some minutes, I added my oil and let it boil for 15 minutes. I like my oil to really boil well when I'm cooking. So I left this for a while and next I went in with my ogbono. So this is my ogbono. I grinded it with crayfish as well. Give this a mix, and guys, when it's thick you know it is ready. I don't really like my ogbono to be really thick, and I did not add leaf to it. I'm a very picky eater, but you can add whatever leaf you want to add to it. Also, I don't like eba, I don't like swallow, so I ate this with ripe plantain swallow. I just bought my plantain and mashed it up and it became like swallow. This was so delicious. Will you guys be trying it out? Let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more.